Hi folks, today Kathy will be making my grandmother's tomato soup cake, and you tell me what we're doing here.
Well, it says mix the first 4 ingredients together, so that's half cup of margarine,
Half cup margarine,
cup of sugar, teaspoon of baking soda for the
teaspoon of baking soda,
baking soda.
close it.
And 1 can of condensed tomato soup.
And 1 can condensed tomato soup. I know it sounds weird, but this cake is really good.
Something better than that.
So now we're to add all the other ingredients, which
Teaspoon of cloves.
half a teaspoon cloves, which is another thing that really makes this cake good. Mr. Traveler does like cloves in stuff on ham.
1 teaspoon cinnamon.
1 teaspoon cinnamon. You know about us and cinnamon.
That was close.
Yum, 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 yum.
2 cups of flour.
2 cups flour.
One and a half teaspoons of baking powder.
1.5 teaspoons baking powder.
This is weird to me because usually you gotta whisk all the dry ingredients together and stuff, but I didn't say that on this one. Pinch of salt.
And a pinch of salt. And what Mrs. was saying is it's weird because usually do the dry ingredients and mix them all together, and then add the wet ingredients.
1 egg.
1 egg.
It says mix well.
Mix well.
Why is that turning on?
Here is the consistency that she made it. Then in a greased, does it have to be a bundt pan? Or?
Well, it says tube pan. I assume that's a bundt pan.
Okay, tube pan. It says tube pan, so Kathy is presuming it's a bundt pan. And what's the? Do you know the degrees and stuff?
350.
350 in the oven for.
I thought we turned it off when we went to the store. I had it for you.
How long?
30 to 40 minutes.
30 to 40 minutes. And we will not have a taste test today because this is for hospitality at church tomorrow. We'll be back though to show you the cooked product.